This is Mrs. Pavitra Vanshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. So, this is all about branding. So, in the previous lecture series, we have seen what is a branding, what are the importance of branding, what is the definition of branding, those things. So, in this PPT or in this presentation, we are going to see what are the importance of branding. Yes, so branding is very essential for business. As we all know, it establishes a unique identity first of all, and then it enhances customer loyalty, and it is distinguishes the products from your competitors' landscape. So this is how importance of branding can be done. So whenever a product is being marketed in your market, it is to be done. Our product must be unique, it should have a uniqueness, and it should differ from the competitors. That's what. So this is how a branding is essential for the business. So a robust brand not only shapes the consumer purchasing decisions, choices, but also leaves a lasting impression. Ultimately, that is your driving business success. So whenever a brand has been coming to the purchasing choices, then we are leaving a lasting impression. That is how far our product is being branded more, and that is what the importance of branding. Yes, so the next one is about understanding branding. So what is the definition? So branding reflects the consumer's perception experience. Then the elements of branding is like the logo, the color, the scheme, the typography, the messaging, what we are doing it. So everything becomes the elements of branding. The third one is brand equity. So strong branding leads to customers' preference and higher sales. So once a product and services is being branded well, and that time the brand equity is being created. So importance of branding. So there are three which plays a very crucial role. So differentiation, the consumer trust, and the emotional connection with the brand or the products and services of a particular brand. So, branding plays a very crucial role in the business success by helping companies differentiating themselves, build consumer trust, and forge emotional connections with their customers. So now what does mean the differentiation? So branding helps business distinguish themselves from the competitors by highlighting its uniqueness, the unique figures and the benefits, making it very easier to the consumer to make choices. The next is consumer trust. So, how far we are trustworthy with the brand? How far is our customer is become trust with the brand? So, a recognizable and trustworthy brand fosters customer confidence, leading to repeat purchases and brand loyalty over time. The last one is emotional connection. So effective branding creates an emotional connection with the consumers, influencing their perceptions and encourage threats to engage with the brand. So this is how a brand is being, this is how a branding is very important. Yes. So the next one, how far we are going to build a strong brand. How can we build a strong brand? The first point is consistency. Then the second one is target audience. And the third one is brand storytelling. So what do you mean by consistency? So maintaining consistency across all branding elements is very vital for reinforcing brand identity and ensuring the consumers have a unified experience. Okay, so unified experience is what? A unique experience with the brand. The next is target audience. Yes, so brand must identify and understand the type of target audience preferences and behavior, tailoring their messaging and offerings effectively. So, what are we going to offer? Yes, so how is the consumer preferences? What are the consumer perceptions of what are the perception of the customer? What are the needs of the customer and what are the wants of the customer? So what is the target audience? Yes, the next one is brand storytelling. So sharing a compelling brand story helps connect with the consumers as an emotional level, making the brand more relatable and memorable. For example, if we take Surf Excel ad, so in that case, like a student, could like a small kid is playing with the mud and everything is being done, and the stain has to be cleared. So suffix select will be like a storytelling. So this is how we can build up the strong brand. So this is the importance of branding.